Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to experience local Arrack in Sri Lanka. We call it Arrack. So, and now we are in Manje restaurant in Dambul, and as usually my friend is joining with me. So we're gonna have experience with you this Arrack. It is very special Arrack in Sri Lanka. So it's called extra special, right? So and it is strong around I think it's around 3.3
33.
yeah 33.5 like that. So and we are going to try some chicken omelette, right? Here we have some chicken omelette. So also what this Arrack special is, this is you can use it only from Sri Lanka, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I give this to taste first with my friend. I give the bottle and you open this.
I open it, but
And give me the experience. How about the experience you take from that? Okay, let's go, bro.
yeah.
How it smell?
And it's strong, really strong.
So
Yeah. You. Okay, now we are going to taste. I like to.
yeah, extra special. So I'm going to try it, brother, right?
First, yeah.
Okay, now, okay, I put here. Let's try it. Wow, its smell is very strong, bro.
Strong and flavory.
Yeah, I think it's really strong. So I put some ice cube here because of that much strong is very difficult for us, I think if you want to have some local Arrack, I suggest this Arrack is very good because of its smell is not bad. Also, I think this taste will be not bad for us too, right? So actually, this is a whiskey type Arrack,
yeah.
brother. So I'm gonna try it.
You have it.
Yeah, it's actually some coconut flavor like that.
Okay.
Also very strong. Actually, this is good Arrack.
Yeah.
And also this price and this very cheap price for
Yeah.
considering with other Arrack in Sri Lanka,
Yeah.
And also we have something to eat here.
Yeah.
We took some omelette. Actually, this is egg omelette, right?
Yeah.
Chicken omelette. So I will going to try it with
Sauce.
sauce also, right? Also, this kind of Arrack when we are having in Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan used to have some kind of things to eat because of Sri Lankans are not strong to have it without ice cream or something without something to eat. So that is why we order some meals and some liquor like this. So I just like to how my friends try to do it. Yeah. So let's go and see. How
Yes,
it-
sir.
Okay, bro. So how you going to do it? Okay, you got the shot, and actually we took 375 milli bottle. Actually, it is half of the bottle of It is the half of the bottle actually, and also we're going to try it. Okay, and you're gonna try it. So tell me your experience. How about your experience?
Actually, I have tasted before this, but
We
ice
thought-
cube.
This was your
Yeah,
this first
first
time,
time.
right? So how is it smell?
Well, it's really strong, as you mentioned.
Yeah,
Let's have a taste.
yeah, yeah,
Very strong.
yeah.
Because I used to send this
Yeah,
only bad.
actually previously he used to have some cool drinks, right?
Yeah.
This is the first time he used ice cube with this kind of Arrack. So this is his first time he used this.
I must get used to it.
Yeah, because of how it's taste. I think. Do you think it is taste than previously you?
It's,
Which one is you?
this is strong.
This is very strong. Can't you drink without some cool drinks?
Let's find out.
You have your time, brothers. So let's go and see this time and how it's take. Okay, brothers, we are going to sign off, and we will see you with new video and like this kind of food and drinks video while we travel in Sri Lanka. So stay tuned with our channel. We just got drunk.
And we have some
We want to have some food, Sri Lankan food,
Yeah.
right? So let's go and see. What do you want to? What do you want to do? Cake. Okay, let's go and see, right? Yeah, as usual. We are gonna try it now. Bro, what did you order?
Kottu.
What? Yeah, it's how about the
Most
price?
favorite Sri Lankan dishes. Right?
Yeah, and how about
It's,
that price?
800 rupees.
800. Actually, previously we had some kottu for 600, but actually, yeah, in the last place in the Manji.
Okay.
But you know, and some places are like this. You can see here. You can take 800, but actually I don't know how about the voices. Let's see.
Let's see.
Yeah, very common places in Tamil, right? What is this place called?
Anura Cafe.
Arrack Cafe. Yeah, okay, brother.
Bro,
What
do we have here?
Actually, we have kottu here, right? And we have some curry, brother. Here, you can have tea, some curry, with some of the chicken curry, right?
Okay.
We are gonna put it here like this. Say,
Yeah.
this is some Sri Lankan traditional food, right?
Don't forget about the sauce. Right?
Yeah, we have some food of the. We have some sauce. This is the tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Usually we use tomato
Chili sauce.
sauce. Tomato sauce. Like this say, and also we can
Give me that.
Okay, homies, this is called kottu, as we said, and it is a really delicious dish in Sri Lanka. So if you hope to travel in Sri Lanka, try this dish. I suggest you to try this one. Okay, guys, we will see you with the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.